Okay, let's take a look at line plots. So what I've created here is kind of a base for us to take a look at. At the top, you want to put the title of your graph, what it is that you are actually graphing. This is your horizontal axis or horizontal line. This is where you will put your measurement data. And then this is what you're actually measuring. So down here, I measured some items. I took a picture for you, and you'll see that I put how many inches each item is. Now, we are not working with parts of inches. We are only working with whole inches. So some of these were a little bit over the actual inches that you see here, but I just estimated the closest number, and that's the inches that I put. So over here is where I took that data and I put it here. And you'll see that I have 2 inches, 3 inches, 7 inches, and 5 inches. So that is my measurement data. So down here it says school supplies in inches. The inches that we have are 2, 3, 5, and 7. So then I'm going to look at my data and say, how many items did we have that are actually 2 inches? And the only thing that I see is the eraser. So I'm going to come over here and get one of my markers. You can draw. I just had X images that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put one marker, one X above the 2 because I only have one item that's 2 inches. Then I'm going to look at 3 inches. I have 2 items that are 3 inches. So I'm going to go over here and grab 2 X's and put 2 above the 3 because we have 2 items that are 3 inches. Next, we have 5 inches. And again, I have 2 items that are 5 inches. So I'm going to put 1, 2. And then the last measurement we have is 7 inches, and we only have one item that's 7 inches. So I'm going to take this and put it above the 7. And there's our line plot. So if we were looking at this data and you didn't have this image or this data down here, all you had was the line plot, you should be able to tell me that one item was 2 inches, 2 items were 3 inches, 2 items were 5 inches, and 1 item was 7 inches. Next, we're going to look at creating one on your own. So I'm going to give you some data, and I'm going to ask that you are able to create your own line plot.